Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will solve this kind of questions where we are given two numbers in squares and then we have to subtract it and find the under root of it. In these kind of questions where numbers are given in squares and we have to find the subtraction of it. So we will not just find the square of 26 and square of 24 and then find out the subtraction value and then find the under root. That will take a lot of time. So a quick method will be to apply the formula from algebra, which is a square minus b square, which is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. And how do we do that? Simply we replace a by 26 and b by 24. And if you have to find the squares of these numbers in this setup, we simply use the formula. So first we will add these two numbers, 26 plus 24, and then we will subtract these two numbers, 26 minus 24. And what do we get? We get 50 by adding 26 and 24, and subtracting 26 by 24 we get 2, which is 100. Now the final step is we have to find the under root of this value. So we have to find the under root of 26 square minus 24 square. To do that, we'll just find the under root of 100, which is 10. So that is the easiest way to find the value of these kind of expressions. Thank you.